Hi, today we will solve another simultaneous linear differential equations. Let me take this problem dy by dt minus 2x is equal to cos 2t and dx by dt plus 2y is equal to minus sin 2t. Now we will discuss how to solve these two equations. First, let us represent capital D as d by dt. Therefore, the given equations become dy minus 2x is equal to cos 2t. That is the first one. And second one is dx plus 2y equal to minus sin 2t. Now we will arrange them the proper way. That first equation is minus 2x plus dy equal to cos 2t. I just name this as 1. And second one as dx plus 2y is equal to minus sin 2t. That I call it as equation number 2. Now we will eliminate any one of the variables x or y. Let us try to eliminate x. So I am eliminating x. To eliminate x, we keep the coefficients of x same. So I am going to multiply the first equation by d, which will give minus 2 dx. As 2 is a constant, plus d square y equal to d of cos 2t. That is, on simplification, the differentiation of cos 2t is minus 2 sin 2t. This is minus 2 into dx plus d square y. Let me call this as number 3. And multiply the second equation by 2 so that we can get the same coefficient of x. So you will be getting 2 into dx plus 4y is equal to minus 2 into sin 2x, sin 2t. Let me call it as number 4. See, since the coefficients of x are same, minus 1 plus 2, just by adding 3 and 4. Adding equations 3 and 4. We get this will cancel. So here you will be getting d square plus 4 times y is equal to adding these two minus 4 sin 2t. Now we will solve as usual. First, let us take the auxiliary equation for this. The auxiliary equation is m square plus 4 equal to 0. So which will give m equal to plus or minus 2y. Here the roots are imaginary, that is complex. So the complementary function is nothing but e power 0x into, because here this is written as 0 plus or minus 2i, alpha plus or minus I beta model, alpha plus or minus I into beta model. So alpha is here 0, beta is 2. So the complementary function is this, a cos 2 beta or 2t we can write a cos 2t plus b sin 2t, where a and b are constants. That is nothing but a cos 2t plus b sin 2t. This is complementary function. Now let us find the particular integral, because the right hand side is given minus 4 sin 2t. The particular integral is equal to 1 by d square plus 4. Here minus 4 sin 2t. So we have to replace d square by minus a square, where a equal to 2. So if you put d square equal to minus 4, you get 0 in the denominator, which is the case of failure. So if we substitute that, what we get is 1 by 0, or let me write it fully, minus 4 plus 4 of minus 4 times sin 2t. This is the case of failure. This is the case of failure. Therefore, we have to adopt some other idea, because this is under case of failure. So what we can do is, so therefore the particular integral is equal to differentiate the denominator 2d. The case of failure, we are differentiate the denominator and include the variable here in the numerator. So I am including the variable t. Then the remaining minus 4 sin 2t as it is. That is equal to minus 4t constant into 1 by 2d into sin 2t. If you want, you can cancel at the 4 and 2. So minus 2t into 1 by d of sin 2t. So directly we can integrate. So integral of this is minus 2t into 1 by d stands for integration. So the integral of sin 2t equal to cos 2t minus cos 2t divided by 2. That is nothing but 2 cancels. So what we'll be getting is t into cos 2t. This is the particular integral. Therefore, let us write a solution. Therefore, the solution y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. That is, complementary function is a into cos 2t plus b into sin 2t. particular interval is t into cos 2t. This is the value of y. So now we have to find the value of x also by substituting y value in any one of the equations 1 or 2. Let us see. First equation is this. Minus 2x plus dy equal to cos 2t. Second equation is dx plus 2y equal to minus sin 2t. So we can go for any one of the equations. So let me take the first equation. So if I take the first equation, that is equation 1 implies equation 1 says that minus 2x plus dy equal to cos 2t. But we have to find x value. So 2x equal to dy minus cos 2t. D of y. D means differentiation of y is already given a into cos 2t plus b into sin 2t plus t into cos 2t minus cos 2t. So differentiation of the first term is minus 2a sin 2t plus differentiation of b sin 2t is 2b cos 2t. And here differentiation of third term, since there are two variables here also t and cos 2t, we have to go for the product rule under differentiation, that is first term into differentiation of second plus second term into differentiation of first minus the last one, differentiation of the last term is plus 2 sin 2t. Now let us simplify all. Minus 2a sin 2t plus 2b cos 2t minus 2t sin 2t plus cos 2t plus 2 sin 2t. So actually here we need not differentiate because differentiation is only for this term. So here you will be getting minus cos 2t. Now after cancelling these two, we get 2 into minus a sin 2t plus b into cos 2t minus t sin 2t. Left hand side is 2x. So ultimately x is equal to minus a sin 2t plus b cos 2t minus t sin 2t. So this is x. Therefore, the complete solution is x is equal to this minus a sin 2t plus b cos 2t minus a t sin 2t, and y equal to, already we have completed that, a cos 2t plus b sin 2t plus t into cos 2t. So this x and y combinedly give the solution of the required simultaneous differential equation. Thank you.